Hello. We're going to return to our story, Have You Heard the Nesting Bird? And we're going to, remember, we're going to be talking about text organization, and we're going to be especially looking at description and how authors use description to organize a text. Have You Heard the Nesting Bird is a nonfiction story. It's a narrative nonfiction, which means the author is telling the story, but the things that you read about in this story are true. This is written by Rita Gray and illustrated by Kennard Pack. Morning doves take their morning stroll. Coo, 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 coo. Woodpecker calls from a tree with a hole. Cuck, 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 cuck. But have you heard the nesting bird? What bird? Where? That robin nesting up there. Sparrows make a simple jingle. Chittick, chittick. Swallows slide from under a shingle. Ha ha chit chit chit, ha ha twitter twit. Crow calls out, come meet and mingle. Caw, 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 caw. But have you heard the nesting bird? Not a single tweet or trill. This nesting bird is so still. Cardinal wears a pointy hat. Cheer, 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 pretty, pretty, pretty. Chickadee is an acrobat. Chickadee, chickadee-dee. Catbird sounds like a hungry cat. Meow, meow. But have you heard the nesting bird? It doesn't sing, not even a bit. All it does is sit and sit. Blue Jay's shriek is as sharp as a drill. JJ, JJ. Whippoorwill has his favorite trill. Whippoorwill, whippoorwill. Wood thrush turns the twilight still. He-ole, he-ole. But have you heard the nesting bird? It hasn't sung a single song. This bird has been sitting for so long. What does the author want you to learn from this text? Do you think it wants you to learn something about the nesting bird? How is the nesting bird different from the other birds that the author is describing? Remember we talked about text organization? How does the author organize the information to help you understand this? Is the author describing the different birds and the sounds they make? What about the nesting bird? How is the author describing the nesting bird? What kind of sound does it make? We don't know, do we? It doesn't make a sound. Wait, what's that? Tapping, cracking. Something made a little sound. Breaking, shaking. The bird is starting to move around. Ruffling, scuffling. The bird flew off with something blue. Cheeping, peeping. Look, another robin is coming too. The baby birds are here. Did you like this story? Do you remember how the author organized the text? The author was using description, describing how other birds made a sound, but the nesting bird didn't. Why do you think the nesting bird sat so long? Was it trying to keep the eggs warm? I think so too. I hope you enjoyed this story.